You are having my blood in your hand. Tomorrow I'll go to heaven and you will go to hell. Theophilus was right when he said he will send money. A message calculated to cause anxiety to Regina. That's something. You're also charged with the offense of cyber harassment, contrary to section 27(1)(a), (b), and C. Commented on a photo of Regina Nguria, who was on the left, Julian Alonso in the middle, and Viola on the right. Posted on the Instagram account of one Julian Raul Alonso, a comment which read, "It was the plan from both of you to break my spirit by traffic."
The first time huyu msichana alicomplain na wale wenzao pia karibu wakimbiaji 10 walilalamika, na nilichukua hatua kuita foreigners wengine ambao tuko nao kama kutoka Argentina, Sweden, kusudi wakati na mkanya wenzao wakuwe pale wasione kama ni kumpakua. So zaidi ya wakimbiaji 10 wamelalamika.